Hi bakers, today I'm going to show you how to brown butter. So brown butter is used a lot in French cooking, but it adds an amazing depth of flavour and nuttiness to bakes too. And you can use it in any recipe that calls for butter, but you just have to make sure that you brown a larger amount of butter first and then measure the amount needed for the recipe. If the recipe calls for softened butter or firm butter, then all you have to do is pop it into the fridge for it to re-solidify, then go from there. To make brown butter is very easy, but you do need to use a light coloured saucepan or frying pan so you can see what's going on down the bottom. So I like to use a stainless steel pan, or you could use a light coloured enamel pan. Add your butter to the pan and heat over low heat, stirring as it melts. You can brown any amount of butter from 100 grams to 500 grams, which is what I like to do, so I have some on hand whenever I need it. Once that butter has melted, turn the heat up to medium and continue stirring. The milk solids will separate from the fat and then the mixture will start to fizz up. So this is the stage where you need to watch it really carefully to make sure that the milk solids that will form on the base of the pan don't burn. So as you're stirring, if you're not sure, take it off the heat because it can be hard to tell with that foam on top, and push back some of the foam so that you can see what's happening. If the milk solids look toasty brown, the mixture is ready. If not, keep heating and stirring. It's really important to stop heating the mixture as soon as it's ready, because if the milk solids start to burn, then the whole batch will be ruined. Once done, allow the mixture to cool to room temperature before using or storing in the fridge for 2 weeks or in the freezer for 2 months.